months babies, part of BabyPillars online home course.
Let's teach your baby how to move their head from side to side. Slowly and carefully bend your baby's knee on the side that they would like to turn their head to, and wait for their response. Your baby's head will begin to turn slowly. Most likely, you will quickly see your baby move their head back towards their more comfortable side, so it's important to repeat this exercise several times. Now, help your baby turn their head to the other side by once more slightly bending their other knee and wait for their reaction. Pat their behind towards their head while your other hand gently rests on their head. Do this in order to allow your baby to get to know this new position.
Tummy time for 0 to 3 months babies, part of BabyPillars online home course.
Again, bend your baby's knee towards their chest and notice how their other leg slightly straightens. Wait until your baby turns their head and rests it on the floor comfortably. Patting your baby's behind in a rhythmic tap towards their head will lead them to rest their head and relax.
Tummy time for 0 to 3 months babies, part of BabyPillars online home course.
These taps actually mimic your heartbeat, a sound and feeling your baby is familiar with from their time in the womb. Your baby's ability to turn their head while laying on their stomach is an integral part of bone and spine symmetry and for their proper development. Many babies keep their heads to one side while laying on their tummies, with one cheek resting on the surface. When you try to move your baby's head to the opposite side, you can generally see that their opposite cheek is not resting on the surface as comfortably. And very quickly, you will see your baby turn their head back to their more comfortable side. In order to teach your baby how to lay comfortably tummy down on both sides of their head, it's important for you to teach your baby how to use the rest of their body to do so. When your baby understands that they are able to turn their head on their own, a learning process is ignited, one that will lead them all the way through each stage of development.